Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today I want to talk to you about SHIB. This is going to be a Shiba Inu based update. We're going to be looking at the price action for this asset, looking at the market cap, volume, and then we're going to be going into a technical analysis side of things, and essentially looking at some very new trades for SHIB and some profitable setups that we can be looking out for there. Starting off with Shiba Inu here on the market cap, you can see that we are currently at around 7.8 billion, which is 13th in the cryptocurrency race, which right now that is pretty good. It does show that that it's holding its own in this current market. Volume currently sat around 134 million here over the last 24 hours, up around 8.84% here on the day, that is pretty bullish, I must say. I'm pretty happy with that. It's nice to see SHIB actually climbing up in terms of volume. But one thing I would say about that, if you look at the ranking compared to the volume here, this is a bit of a bearish sign in my opinion, because these two should be fairly similar, okay? But the fact that they're not, it shows that I think 33 cryptocurrencies have higher volume than SHIB right now, but a lower market cap. So that puts 33 cryptos slightly more bullish than SHIB in terms of from a volume perspective, okay? So we can't really overlook that. Doesn't look that great for SHIB, just looking at those statistics, right? Now, let's go into the chart and let's look at Shiba Inu from a technical analysis perspective. Before we do that, I just want to talk to you guys quickly about Shiba Shootout. It's a new play-to-earn game that I think is going to be absolutely amazing. I've got involved with this pre-sale, full disclosure. They have raised $1.1 million so far. I know you guys can't quite see that on the screen, but there we go. $1.1 million so far in the pre-sale. Super, super bullish. It's basically a play-to-earn game. They've been mentioned on some very reputable sources, and it's basically a Wild West sort of shootout vibe. Looks pretty cool. They're going to be on the App Store and the Google Play Store as well. They've really, really killed it. So if you guys want to go check this out, the links are in the description for Shiba Shootout. Just wanted to show you guys that very, very quickly before we moved on with this video. Now jumping in to the technical analysis side of things for SHIB, because this is where it gets important and this is where the money is made, okay? So if we're looking at this from a real broad perspective to start us off, I do just want to get rid of all the TA on my chart quickly and just talk very briefly here about this disgusting pump to the upside. This is 2 weeks of just pure momentum to the upside, guys. It's only natural when this happens that you see such a significant retracement like so, okay? So this is fine. It's okay. This is fine. Everything's fine. We're likely to see a very big pump to the upside happening fairly soon for SHIB when we see a nice breakout scenario. So the breakout scenario that I'm talking about today, guys, is essentially, I'm just going to cut it down in terms of some candle sizes here so it's easier for you guys to see. You can see in terms of the SHIB price right now, we've been compressed for quite a while in this sort of range here. Nothing really has been going on that crazy in terms of price action, just upside and downside, sorry, downside and upside. It's not really been too factual in terms of trending and all those things, and this has been happening since basically the start of August. We've had a month of sort of a ranging period here for this asset, but this is a good thing. It is a good thing when you are compressed in specific chart patterns and specific setups, when we are essentially looking for breakout scenarios. So there's a couple of things that I'd look out for here, guys. There are two very nice juicy long positions, okay? We've got one down at around 6% here. It's gonna be worth around 6%, and it is down at around this low, okay? So you can see the last time that we actually came down aggressively, we created this low and we bounced very, very aggressively with volume. Okay, and these trend lines, they travel all the way back here throughout previous lows for SHIB, and so you can see the validity here in the momentum for these. Okay, so the last time that we did test this lower side one was actually back at the start of August, and the momentum we saw from that was ridiculous. Okay, it was ridiculous. I'm talking 28, 30. Yeah, 30% there. So usually we see around half the momentum if we are momentum trading here, and that essentially means that we can capitalize on that movement. The movement I'm referring to here is this lovely, lovely 6%. So if we see SHIB break down at all here, it will be lining up with this lovely, lovely horizontal point here, which we've seen momentum from before. B, another lovely point here to be bouncing off in terms of momentum as well. And C, it is actually a trap zone of a giant symmetrical triangle chart pattern, right? Which trap zones, they tend to usually bounce back, okay? So it's very likely that we do see a nice 6% move to the upside if we do come down to this area. That is on the basis that we do go down. On the basis we go up, it's still bullish, believe it or not, because you can see we've got lovely checkpoint areas. It will be a breakout scenario from 1357, and that will run up for around 11%. As you can see, we've seen this in multiple price action areas before. These little lines here, these are TPs, 1356, 1394, 1442, all the way up to around that 11%, which will be the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. So there's a couple of things to be looking out for there today, guys, and over the next couple of weeks for SHIB. Just let me know in the comment section what you think and whether these are some positions that you're going to be getting into as well. That's going to be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Don't forget to go check out Shiba Shootout. Definitely a play to earn game that I think has got huge potential. Full disclosure, I've got my bags in this. Let me know if you've bought your bags. As I said, they've raised $1.1 million, so they will be launching very soon. Don't miss out on that one, guys. That's gonna be it from me. Thank you ever so much for watching. Drop a like if you could. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.